Ayurveda is made up of two words from the India's Sanskrit, Ayurveda, science of life, or life science. And it's a way to it's a blueprint on how the laws of wellness work in the universe. And when we follow them, and they're personalized for us, life just becomes easy. Health becomes easy. Life becomes joyful. The best thing about Ayurveda is that it's personal to you. There's different constitutions, are called doshas. And what fits for you may not fit for someone else. So it's like a tailor-made suit. Ayurveda covers something for all five senses because everybody learns better through a different sense. So you get to pick and choose. There's taste, which is foods and herbs. The sense of smell is aromatherapy, which I love. The sense of color, color therapy. The sense of sound, meditation music. The sense of touch, massage. And every single category of senses are tailored to who you are. Another great benefit about Ayurveda, it's called the mother of wellness. Because instead of, if something is a problem, we don't cut it out, we don't suppress it. We say, well, if there's too much of something, there's not enough of something else. So like a mother gives love, we nourish what's missing. And then there comes a balance. Very simply put, there's three key elements: air, fire, and water. And everything relates to that. Too much air would turn into an imbalance or an illness of air. It could be dry skin. It could be gas. Too much fire could be heartburn. Too much water could be congestion in the lungs. So if there's too much water, we add more fire, which warms and dries up the water, and we bring in more air, which dries up the water. And that's how we achieve balance in Ayurveda.